Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can highlight muscles in a video using CapCut PC. So if you want to maximize your physique on camera and make those cuts and definitions pop, this is the ultimate free CapCut tutorial to define your muscles in a video. So you can just import your videos exercising, for example, like this, and then go to the part where you want to highlight your muscles. Click on these options and choose freeze. Now you can just copy the freeze frame 2 times and put it on top just like this. Now select these two freeze frame and right click on the activate clip, choose this one and go to mask, add mask, and in here choose the pan options. Now you can just select the part that you want to highlight. For example, I'm going to go with this parts right here. Okay, now click on the first one and activate it again. Go back to this one and go to adjust, click on the curves and scroll down until you find the green and blue color. Then drag the green and blue to the bottom just like this. It will become red. Now go to the basic in adjustment and increase the saturation so it will become pop red like this. Go back to the masking, click on the video, mask, and add some feather to smoothen the edges. And if you want to correct the masking again, you can just adjust the point just like this. Okay, so let's preview the result. Okay, so it will become like this. You can just trim the freeze frame to make it shorter. So that's how you can highlight your muscles in a video. If you want to adjust the for example the right hand in here, you can just follow the same steps. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.